Have you ever walked into a house and thought, this place has potential, but it needs a lot of work? If so, a conventional renovation loan might be your ticket to transforming that fixer-upper into your dream home. These loans allow you to combine the purchase price and the renovation cost into a single mortgage, often with as little as 3% down. This means you can affordably turn a less than perfect home into your ideal living space. But why would you go through the extra hassle of a renovation loan? It's all about your leverage as a buyer. Buyers today are looking for a turnkey home, one they can move in right away with no additional work. They simply skip over fixer-upper listings. That means you can intentionally look for homes that need the work. Make a lowball offer, often with no competition, knowing that you have a secret weapon called a renovation loan. So, will a seller go for this? Do you have to have a contractor go tear up their house before the loan is closed? Nope. Let's look at how these loans work. Here's the process. Number 1, apply and get approved. Start by applying for a renovation loan and securing an approval. 2, make an offer. Once approved, make an offer on the fixer-upper property you're interested in. 3, create renovation plans. Develop detailed plans for planned renovations. This isn't as hard as it sounds with the help of a good contractor. You'll submit your plans to your lender. 4, get an appraisal. The appraiser will value the house at its renovated value. The lender will use this future value as the basis for your loan. 5, close on the home. After finalizing the process, you'll officially own the home. No renovations needed to be complete before closing, even ones that would make the home ineligible for financing. 6, complete renovations. Your contractor will carry out the renovations, receiving payments from the loan funds as the work is completed. And number 7, final inspection and move-in. Once all the renovations are done, a final inspection ensures everything is in order and you can move in if you haven't already. Here are a few conventional rehab loan options to consider. Fannie Mae HomeStyle. This loan offers a broad range of renovation possibilities, including luxury improvements and DIY options. It requires a down payment between 3 and 5% and a minimum credit score of 620. Next, Freddie Mac CHOICERenovations. Similar flexibility is provided here, accommodating structural and luxury upgrades. Down payments range from 3% to 20% and with a minimum credit score of 620. Next, CHOICERenovation. Designed for minor repairs, this option covers 10 to 15% of the loan amount for smaller scale projects. These loans can fund a variety of projects, including structural repairs, modernization, and luxury features like pools and landscaping. You can do purely cosmetic repairs like kitchen and bath remodels. These loans aren't only to bring up the home in financial standards, although that's a great way to use the funds. Some programs also cover appliances and minor updates, providing flexibility to meet your specific needs. While FHA 203K loans are an option, conventional rehab loans often have broader possibilities, including financing for second homes and luxury upgrades, giving you more freedom in your renovation choices. So where do you find these loans? Well, not every lender offers them, and other lenders don't do them often enough to make it a smooth process for you. Just call around. Ask not only if the lender or the loan officer does them, but how many you've done in the past year and which individuals or departments are best at them. Be aware of some potential hurdles such as securing approved contractors, meeting renovation timelines, and budgeting for unexpected cost. Planning ahead can help you navigate these challenges effectively. By simplifying the financing process for purchasing and renovating fixer-uppers, these loans offer flexible repair options and affordable terms, making it easier to create the home you've always wanted. For more information on buying a fixer-upper, visit mortgageresearch.com. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and tapping the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Questions? Suggestions? Drop them in the comments. We love to connect. Thanks for watching and happy house renovating.